Human beings have achieved extraordinary breakthroughs in the field of medicine, in the field of technology, in arts and entertainment, and a myriad other areas. We have surpassed the limit on advanced technology, scientific research, arts and entertainment. Now, humanity is ready for a super-conscious breakthrough, delivered by cosmic phenomenon of vertical time zones. Vertical time zones, groundbreaking webinar by His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivoham.
The vertical time zone, knowing the truths of multiple gods and goddesses, gives you the strength and energy to make mature decisions. Understanding these truths will help you to come to many powerful cognition conclusions, and those powerful cognitive conclusions will enlighten you. First thing you will experience is tremendous freedom, liberation. A liberated person will be most loving, compassionate, trustworthy.
The nature of reality, time, matter, cosmology, and consciousness. Mind-blowing new webinar by His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivoham. Visit different Lokas, planes of existence in the universe. Experience your infinite being, which perceives and operates across all these planes of existence simultaneously. Relate with gods and goddesses across these different planes. Glimpse superconsciousness while living a so-called ordinary life wherever you are. Paramashivoham initiation, featuring a live online initiation, Paramashivoham, from His Divine Holiness, the traditional transmission of Shaktipat from Master to the sincere seeker. Webinar timings: India, 8th September at 7:30 a.m. IST. USA, 8th September at 10 a.m. EST.